Is it possible to create AI content free, totally free and unlimited? Yes, it is possible. With these two powerful AI tools I'm about to show you today, you will be able to generate your videos for free and unlimited. All you need to do is sit tight, grab your paper and your pen, and make sure you don't skip any part of it at all, because each part of the tutorial today is very important to you, so that you'll be able to start creating your content for free and unlimited. Let's go there.
This is AI Mastery Tutorial.
Welcome to my channel. This is AI Mastery Tutorial, your one-stop step-by-step AI tutorials. Please subscribe to join us.
So the first one we'll be using today is one.video. So if you've not come across one.video, this is how one is. So over here, you have to click on this try now before you to start. And when you click on this try now, it will now bring you to right to this other place. So when you come over to this place, you have to sign up using your email account. I've already signed up. And once I sign up, they will give you a login credit. 10 units daily credit will be given to you. Let's click here now. Excuse me, credit have increased to 20, but that does not mean that I am using credit to generate this. Yes, so you have to hold on, sit tight, hold your biro and your pencil so that you grab everything, because we are going to generate this content free of charge. So how we are going to do it now? You can see all the platform, you can see all the things that they do. So to generate, you start by clicking on this place here. On this place here, let's explain here. Here we have video generation, we have image generation, and we have avatar generation. So we are focusing mostly on the video generation. So inside here now, you have what are you trying to do? You want to generate or stirring or effects or edit. So we are going to generate video. Okay, so over here is where you drop in your prompt. Let's say I drop my prompt, this particular one, and I'll be using the same prompt for all the three of them. Okay, so that we'll compare and contrast which one is best among all of them. So over here, and since we have our prompt here, like this way, let's come this side here. This side you will choose the ratio of your work and the resolution. Okay, so let's leave our resolution to 720p, then the ratio can leave it in here in 16:9. So here now you have the option to choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay, now let's choose 15 seconds. For instance, let's choose 15 seconds. And also here you have the option either to generate with credit or to generate without credit. So that was why I tell you that it is free of charge. So as of when this tutorial is being generated, this particular option here is free of charge. One has leave it free of charge as of now that I'm making this content. So you can see it here, generates with credit. We have turned it off. So if you turn it on, it means that they will charge you credit to generate it. So since it's off, credit will not be removed. Remember, we are using example, we have 20 credits. So after the generation of this, we'll still check if this 20 credits will still be there or it will be removed. So over here now, you can see it here, the credits consumption here have changed to 0. That's because we turn off the credit consumption, meaning that we want to generate this content free of charge. So if we are through with what we are configuring, the next thing you do is to hit the generate button. So when we generate, you can see it here is in queue. So you wait a little more, it will start coming up. So now you can see our video is ready in one.video. Look at the image, look at the video that is generated for us. Now you can see our credit that was 20 when we started it. You can see the credit is still there, meaning that nothing was removed from our credit, meaning that we generated this content totally free of charge as of when this content is being produced. Now let's save our video so that we can view it completely. So to save your video, you come over to this place. You see here they write download. They say download with watermark or download without watermark. Since you are using it on a free plan, you have to download with watermark. Don't worry, their watermark is so small that you can easily zoom out to take it. So our video is ready. Let's look at it.
We didn't come this far to give up. Hold the line. This ends here.
Wow, you can see how beautiful that is. Now let's try using an image to generate this same video. Now let's try using an image. For you to use an image, this is what you have to do. You click on this plus frame here, then you choose upload, then you choose a file. This is a file that I choose. Can see the file is downloading. So if you have an end frame, you can choose an end frame to end it, but let's just use one. You can also have opportunity to add in background sound at once from this place. So if you have a sound that you want to use, you are free to use it on this one dot video. Okay, since we are not using a sound, so we are just generating with an image alone. So what we need to do here, you see, to hit our create button. So our image to video is ready. Let's look at how it come out.
Cut. We didn't come this far to give up. Hold the line. This ends here.
So you can see how beautiful this content came out. This image to video, their image to video, you see how good the image is. Just take a good look at the image. You see how beautiful it is. It's just looking so real. This is how good Qwen AI is. And as well, even their text video, you can agree with me that the qualities are perfect. Okay, and the good side of it is I can give you up to 15 seconds for free, and you can generate it as many as possible. You can see here now our email, our credit that was given to us, that was 20 credits, is still there. Nothing was removed. So that will take us to other remaining two AI tools that I'm about to show you today. So we'll compare the two of them, the three of them, and see which one that is best for you to use. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section which one you love most and which one you'll be using in this year 2026. And hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend us to other more people. All right, let's go to the second image. Now the second video generation we are going to try out is Qwen. Qwen.ai. So this is Qwen platform. You can see how simple it is. Even though it's simple, but it's very powerful. So on this Qwen AI now, this is where they have a lot of things that you can actually generate using Qwen. But for today, we are concentrating on the video generation. And for you to use the video generation, you must log in into Qwen. So you click on this try Qwen chat. It will bring you to where you sign in your email address and you have this platform, mean that you have signed in successfully. So on this place now, we have to click on video generation. So on the video generation, you can see the sample of the video generation here. You can see it over here. So here now is where you drop in your scripts. So we'll drop the same script that would use in the previous one, which is the one session. Here you choose your aspect ratio. You can see them. So we are using 16:9. So if you're using a short form of it, don't forget to use the portrait, which is 9:16. If I swear that you have an image to generate, this is where you click it. You click on this plus sign and it will take you to where you upload. You can see it here, upload a file. But for now, we are using text to video. Okay, so the same prompt, the same everything. The next thing you have to do, you can see there is no place written credits anywhere. As of when this video is being made, there is no place written credits in Qwen AI. So what we need to do here is to hit send by clicking on this arrow button over here. You can see it now, it's generating just one video. So you wait for it to get to 100% and the video will be ready. On Qwen, our video is ready and they are able to generate only 5 seconds. Yes, that's how many seconds Qwen can generate. You can see that one dot video can generate for you up to 15 seconds, but in Qwen will have only 5 seconds. So let's see how their own text to video is.
We didn't come this far to give up. Hold the line. This ends here.
Wow, you can see how it is. So if you are okay with what the generation was, what you need to do here now is to hit on this download button. Then you will get your content ready in your PC. Now, as well, just as the same thing we did in the other one, let's still use the same image we use in generating on Qwen AI. Let's use that same image to generate over here in Qwen and see how fast it will be. We'll click on upload. Then I'm using the same image. So I drop the image, I still drop the same prompts that I used initially. So you can see our image is here, our reference image is here, then we hit generate. If you're enjoying this content up to now, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that share button. It's very important. As you are learning, let other people learn with you as well. Please hit the share button so that YouTube will recommend it to other people. Okay, our image to video is ready over here in Qwen. So let's see how the image came out.
We didn't come this far to give up. Hold the line. This ends here.
You can see how what happened here, right? So if you are experienced something like the first one that you see, this particular thing, if you are experienced this while generating using image to video on Qwen AI, please come over to this place here to change the model. We are using Qwen 3 mass initially. That was why we're having that issue. So you can also change the model to suit what you are creating. All right. So let me know in the comment section what you think about Qwen AI and WAN AI, their visual quality and their lip sync, and if you'll be trying out with them. See you in the next one. Bye for now.